update as it relates to the house that he was building originally for Ground God. So now the house is partially painted and he updated us as it relates to that. So we're going to talk about that to come on the program. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. So recently I was scrolling through Colosimit TV and I saw where he helped two students in furthering their education. I believe it's their tertiary education, by giving them some funds in order to help them with the cost or to offset the cost of their school fees. As you know, their school fees in Jamaica, they're not cheap. Thousands of dollars are spent yearly by family members. Some can afford